Let the Eastern European take care of it.
But first, some yogurt raisins.
Yogurt raisin? Yeah? See.
This is too big.
All right, Matt, where are we going?
Heading up the road here in Red Canyon Park to some really cool red rock formations. And nobody around, so take a stroll around this park.
Supposed to be a furry party going on over there. Maybe we'll get some action.
Fingers crossed.
True.
It just spit on us for a little bit.
But yeah, it's
Famous last words.
It just famous last
you never know. We are trapped in a canyon.
I hope we're not playing Jumanji.
Yeah, down this
true.
canyon and takes us all out.
That's true.
I think we'll be fine.
Watch out for the tickle bush. Oh, easy, easy.
Hey, you can hand me the water bottle.
Let's loose for sure. Careful.
I mean, my beer's getting low, so I'm not upset about what it is.
Hey, Matt. There's something about you. I can't quite put my finger on it. Something.
Boy, I just love camping. Love being outside. Love the outdoors.
Yeah, that's chipmunk.
Went to the dentist recently, but everything else is the same.
Yeah?
Yeah. I am craving nuts. Craving roasted nuts.
Ain't no play.
What do you mean?
I'm very
much anal.
I'm very disappointed in one of us.
Vaginas. Oh my god, that's mean.
No, we
Vaginas.
need lots of those. Those are great.
Like on your photos, all look so depressed. Look at that face.
What's our plan for tonight, food-wise? What are we gonna do?
Making some salmon and farro and side of asparagus.
My God!
Lap of Luck is the name of the.
Does life get any better than this? I don't think so.
Oh, that's what I tried to do earlier.
Come on, you're super tough.
No,
you can carry it.
I tried to carry this. It's really heavy.
Yeah. No, you chop it.
No, you're chopping
Yeah,
it.
see? Struggle, huh? Did you break our tent?
My bad shoulder too. Hold on.
Babe, oh Jesus. No big deal.
Right? Do you remember how to use
No,
it?
I need a reminder. I think I need to hold this, turn it on, then this is the safety thing.
Yeah.
And then
Click it
I
on.
press
Click the
this.
button to turn it on. You're on the button to turn it on. There you go.
Okay. And
Safety, and then watch your leg.
Then, yeah, well.
Right? Be careful. Watch your leg.
Oh, this.
There you go.
Okay, and then I press this safety and that
Yep.
on button.
Yeah? Safe.
This is too big.
Come on, you can do it.
So it's not gonna.
Oh,
do
you
it.
can do it.
Pignon!
It's
Canyon!
pignon. It's pignon.
Pignon! Yeah, canon! Yeah, mother. Okay.
Careful with your leg. Careful with your leg.
Babe, stop worrying about my leg.
All right, come
my
on.
leg is nowhere near the fucking saw.
Yeah,
I
but
need
you've been
good
drinking and you're
stance.
chainsawing. That's not a good combination.
I'm like 4 drinks behind you.
Nothing matters to a drunk girl at all. Nothing. You'd be like, yo, there's a crocodile right next to you. Excuse me, I have a question for you. Is it your crocodile? Excuse me, you saying it? What it is saying that we're saying? And we're dancing and all and booting in the Bakabama? Is that what it is?
One more?
Petra feels a little sick. She feels a little sick tonight, and I think because she ate too many yogurt raisins.
I can't eat yogurt anymore.
Too many yogurt raisins.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Okay, good night.
Bye.